Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Ultra 2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. If you find the default watch faces on your watch a bit lacking and you want to try something else, you can basically download additional watch faces for your watch via the Zepp application, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. Of course, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. We can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you will see the home page. Now you can tap on device, and here you should see your T-Rex Ultra 2. And as you can see, we have this watch faces category under the watch. We can tap on it to open the watch face store, and here you have different watch face categories you can browse through. You can look for something you like, open the category, for example, find the watch face you enjoy, and then tap on it, tap on sync. It will start downloading, and once it's done synchronizing, it will be applied on your watch, like this. And once you download the watch face, it will appear in the watch face menu right here on the watch. And also, if you go back to the main page of the watch face store, tap on mine, open the list of my AMAZFIT T-Rex Ultra, you will see that the watch face will appear right here on the list as well. And if you want to remove the watch face, you can tap on delete, select the watch face, tap on delete. This is especially useful if you run out of space on your watch, because I assume you will have some limit of amount of watch faces you can install, and at some point you will need to remove some of them to install new ones. So just in case, I showed you how to delete them. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.